Oh! You weren't expecting it to be that loud, were you?
This was me. Oh, the same spot. What?
Yeah, I told you it was going to be cool. The Mendenhall Museum. Are you excited?
Yes.
Aubrey?
Yep.
That's cool. We have to see if Aubrey might have a dime.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mark grew up racing. His dad started.
Yeah.
What? Oh, gun plunger, yeah. Oh, that's funny. It's a redneck plunger.
I thought I was going to get my whole house remodeled.
Funny, we need to buy one of those.
Yeah, that's pretty
I can
cool.
show
Oh, look.
Jax.
Contaminated water. No swimming. Funny.
Danger, wear gas mask, poison gas.
Danger, high pressure gas line.
No, wait.
That's funny.
Reserved for nurses.
That is funny.
Caution, there may be rattlesnakes in this area. Rattlesnakes are...
Oh, look.
This sign up here is the 4th hotel that the Auto Club approved of. And this koozie, that's a full can. Magnets.
Oh.
Yeah. Bubble
Isn't that
lights.
neat?
But I had a guy. Hard.
Oh, cool, yeah.
This was rebuilt in '96 and took it over to Formosa, which is a drag strip over by Bakersfield. For they do this kind of drag. But they didn't run it because they didn't test it.
Cool.
That's what she said. Oh, the same spot.
What?
When he's bored, he has to find something to do. So we've got a Bible with gas pumps, and this label maker went around labeling them. This is from 1919. It was before gas stations. This would have been at a drugstore or a hardware store. They pull it out to your car and pump your gas.
Cool. So cool. Huh? Oh, yeah. I see it forward roll. Yeah.
And it has the phone number.
Yeah. Look, that's a fire truck. Fire truck. Did you know that? Look. So look, they have to put the fire out with that.
Signs on the bottom are the real early ones. Those are called cat eye reflectors. The Auto Club's.
Oh, look, Caleb. Cool.
I knew him since I was in high school, and he always had at least one, usually 2 or 3.
It's a Boss Hog car.
This one, yeah, Mark shot the top off.
Oh, that's funny.
It's a fun car. It's a good cruiser.
What? It's just a decoration, buddy.
And then the
Oh.
No run, no.
There's a handle.
The handle's
Yeah.
inside.
It's heavy. Do it hard.
Can you do it? Oh. You weren't expecting it to be that loud, were you? No, come on, Caleb. Yeah, that was cool. Oh, cool. That is so neat. Yeah.
It's a dual Phaeton touring car. with the windshield in the back seat and the front.
Oh, I found the deer. Oh, look, Caleb. Did you see that? You know what that is?
It's a hand-drawn coffee cart. You guys would pull it. The handles on the ends, you could lift the whole thing up, carry it, then pull it the whole way.
I don't think there's anybody in there, though. What do you think that is, Caleb?
A record player and a TV.
Oh,
Very good.
good job.
The original entertainment center.
Yeah.
Newsom.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah. This still works. We plugged it in. This spun, but we couldn't get sound. And the TV, I guess, worked when they unplugged it.
Oh. Is that beautiful?
I used to ask how they knew where to put the holes without a computer. This is not just the channels. So a guy told me, because this is what's making the noise, are the little, we call them hanging chads, I don't know what they're called. But he said it was kind of like a piano. You'd hit a note and a hammer would come out and punch the hole. So you better know the song really good.
Yeah.
Open this up.
Isn't that neat?
The car, his sister and his dad.
Oh, how cute.
These guys usually cheated because the dads worked at the Ford store. And so they usually won. Yeah, I had a couple from Maine. They said they're still around. They call them the Mainers. But you can see it's perfect for tailgating.
That's funny. What do you think?
And then this is Danny.
You like it?
Yeah. Mickey Thompson took his old
No.
car. He did 447 in that.
He's still got a long way to
So there's
go.
always
Yeah, I told you it was going to be cool. Oh,
friend of
that's
ours
nice.
new in 67.
Oh,
Wow.
I love that color.
Yeah. You got it? Oh, cool. Let's see. I can't see with your hat.
Happy about $2 machine.
Says you're about, what is that, 100? Let's see. I think so. Oh, wow.
Zoe's old book.
Yeah. What do you think, bud? Cool. It is really cool. What'd you think, Caleb?
It was really good.
What do you think your favorite sign was?
The Marine sign.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it said Marine Corps base or something. I forgot.